Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stripe from basic to advanced. If you're new to it, or if you don't have any idea how to use it, or even if you don't know how to create an account, then this video will solve your issue, right? I will explain you from basic to advanced. So first of all, we will check whether Stripe is available in your country or not. So just go to the Google and type Stripe available countries. Hit the enter button, just go to the first link here, just scroll a little bit down, and if you find here country name and flag, it means Stripe gives service in your country. That's great. Now we will just go back here and we will just type Stripe. This will help us to get to the home page of Stripe, right? And here, if you don't have any account, then I will show you how to create it. On the top right side corner, just go to the sign in. If you have an account, then just enter the email address and password and click on continue. You will be in the Stripe dashboard. If you don't have it, no worries. Just go to here and just click on don't have account sign up, right? Just wait for a few seconds and here I will just enter my email address, right? And I will enter my full name, country and my password. And after that, okay, so you have to make a strong password, otherwise it is not going to allow, right? I will just click on create account now. Let's just wait for a few seconds. As I have already made an account with this email, it means that I cannot use it. In this way, you will be able to create a new account. Let me just sign in. Okay guys, right now we are in the dashboard of Stripe, right? On the left side, you will see a lot of option: home, payments, balance, customers, billing, more, etc. right? And if you have a new email address, you need to, verify it. So just click on open email. It will redirect to your new Gmail and you have to verify that, right? And once you verify it, it will just confirm it. Now if you just scroll a little bit down, if you it will give you a brief info about your businesses, right? Here it will show you that how many sales you have done. It will show you the balance and the payouts, right? And here it will give you a pure overview of your sales, right? So you can see this data which help us to understand that how our business is going on the left side, you will find another option that is called payments. In the payments, if you'll see, then here it says, here in the payment section, it will give you a different option which will help to integrate in your website, right? You can see that share a link to a checkout page. It means you can just create a payment link in a just few seconds here, and you can just integrate in your dashboard in the website, right? And you can just collect payment from your customers, right? And there is another option that is a manually charge a customer, right? You can just negotiate with the customer, right? So it's become very easier for your customer to negotiate with you and they can buy any product from you. You can see that it's very easy to integrate, right? You have to just choose that whether it's a product or subscription, or customer choose what to pay. So let's say that my product sell at around $10. I will just select this product as subscription, and you have to just add a new product, right? So if you have already added a product, then you have to select from here. Then below there is an option that collect customer address, so that you can just retarget that customer to resell your product, right? If you want to do that, of course you can do it, and requires customer to provide a phone number, maybe, yeah, just maybe to confirm that whether the customer is not doing a fraud, a purchase, right? Limit the number of payments, of course, if you don't want to sell the product in a bulk. And here if you just click on advanced option, you can see a lot of information is available here. You can just read it and you can just go through it, right? And see, and there is a lot of another information that you can just create an invoice a customer, right? So they can buy it in a very easily. And there are a lot many features which is very easier to use, and you don't need to code it, right? You just have to copy the code and paste it in your developer option of your website, and it will easily interpret here. Now here the third option, that is balance. Balance is about which shows that how many sales you have done, how many products the customers have purchased from you, right? It will show you everything, right? And here upcoming payments to your bank. Generally Stripe doesn't release the payment every day. They have some date, that frequent dates. You can see, you can change it from here, right? And after that, it will just transfer, credit your money to your bank account, right? And it will show you the another information here. If you just go to the customer, like I told you that you can collect all the information about the customer, their address, the phone number, the email, right? And you can use that data to retarget your customer to sell your products. You can do it from here, right? And you can just test it to add a customer, right? And here in the billing option, it's very interesting because it is a very easy feature. which is I just love it to use it, right? You can see automate and manage recurring and one-off payment. It's very important, guys. Here you can see take control of revenue, and it is many more info which will help you to manage your business more easily. And if you just go to the more, here you can see that it is another features. You can see that here these are the integrated apps which is provided by Stripe. You can integrate with your website, which will easily help to manage your website. You can just create monthly or weekly reports, and you just create a customer reports and everything, right? Some of the features are in beta version, so if you want to just try, you can just try it. But yeah, there is a different thing. And yeah, right now in today we face a lot of frauds in our website, and it helps to prevent our fraud, right? And here it is here called identity verification. Yeah, sometimes it is very very useful, right? And this is it, guys. So I hope you found this video really useful. And one more thing, you can just search any of the feature here. You can just search your product, and you can search your whatever you want if you're not able to find it here, right? So this is it. I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.